Sending money to Pakistan using the Azimo platform has never been easier. Azimo is a trusted international money transfer app that allows users to send funds directly to bank accounts, mobile wallets, or cash pickup points across Pakistan. Whether you are supporting family, paying bills, or transferring business payments, Azimo provides fast, secure, and cost-effective solutions. To start, download the Azimo app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Create an account, verify your identity, and choose Pakistan as the recipient country. Azimo supports local banks such as HBL, UBL, Meezan Bank, and mobile wallets like JazzCash, Easypaisa. You can send money in PKR instantly, with most transfers completed within minutes. Azimo offers competitive exchange rates and low transfer fees compared to traditional banks. One of the most effective ways to maximize your transfer is to use Azimo's Send Now, Pay Later option, which lets recipients receive money instantly, even if your payment method takes a bit longer to process. Another trick is, scheduling regular transfers to benefit from Azimo's loyalty programs and cashback offers, so you end up saving money on multiple transactions. You can also, combine transfers with local promotions. For instance, some Pakistani mobile wallets actually offer bonus credits when you send money through Azimo. So, setting alerts within the app ensures you never miss rate drops or, those special promotional offers. Plus, you can refer friends to Azimo and actually earn transfer credits for future use, which honestly helps reduce your sending costs. Using multiple funding options like bank transfers, debit cards, or even credit cards can give you access to lower fees, depending on the day and, exchange rate fluctuations. On top of that, Azimo gives you a feature where you can lock in a rate for future transfers, protecting you from any unexpected currency fluctuations. Tracking your transfer in real time gives you complete transparency and peace of mind, and Azimo's 24/7 customer support makes sure any issues are resolved quickly. By using these methods, sending money to Pakistan becomes faster, cheaper, and honestly more convenient than ever.